Hello everyone, this is me M. Akhil of 10th A. Today, let us discuss about lenses. So let us begin our journey. So today let us discuss about the topic lenses. So what is a lens? A lens is a transmissive optical device that focuses or disperses a light beam by means of refraction. The two types of lenses are simple lens and compound lens. A simple lens consists of a single piece of transparent material, while a compound lens consists of several simple lenses usually arranged along common axes. Some types of simple lenses are magnifying glass and reading glasses, and some types of compound glasses are photographic lenses and doublet lenses. Here you can see the images of the simple lens and the compound lens. On the left hand side you can see the images of the simple lenses, and on the right hand side you can see the images of the compound lenses. So what are the sign conventions for lenses? Sign conventions for lenses are similar to that of spherical mirrors. Signs are taken left of the optical center as negative, right of the optical center as positive, above the principal axis as positive, and below of the principal axis as negative. Here you can see the image how it's taken, how the axes are taken, positive or negative. Now here you can see the image formation by a concave lens. The only two concave lenses has the possibility of forming only two images. That is, first one is the object is at infinity and its properties are images point size, highly diminished, virtual and erect. The second one is the object is at optical center O and at infinity, and the properties of the image formed are image is diminished and it is virtual and erect. Now we'll discuss about the image formation by a convex lens. The six images formed by a convex lenses are: first one, object at infinity and its properties are images highly diminished, real and inverted. Second one, object beyond center of curvature C1 or to F1 and its properties are images diminished and images real and inverted. Now we'll discuss about third property, object at same center of curvature C1 or to F1 and its properties are image is same size as object and it is real and inverted. Now let us discuss about the fourth one, object between center of curvature C1 and the principal focus F1. Its properties are image is enlarged and the image is real and inverted. Now let us see object at principal focus F1. The image is highly enlarged and the image is real and inverted. Now let us see the image between principal focus F1 and optical center O. The properties of the image are image is enlarged and it is virtual and erect. Now let us see about the ray diagrams. Here is a small example about both the mirrors, lenses, that is concave and convex, and the place of the object is at infinity, and you can see how the image is formed here. Now let us discuss about the lens formula. Its formula is 1 by V minus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F, in which F is the focal length, U is the object distance and V is the image distance. And this formula gives us the relation between the object distance, image distance and the focal length. It is valid in all situations for any spherical lens. Now let us discuss about magnification of lens. Magnification of lens is defined as the ratio of the height of the image and the height of the object. Magnification is denoted by M. H is the height of the object and H1 is the height of the image. Magnification M is equals to H1 minus H. Now let us discuss about power of a lens. Power of lens is defined as the reciprocal of its focal length. It is defined by P, and the power is defined by P and the focal length is defined by F. Its an SI unit is diopter and it is denoted by D. If F is expressed in meters and power is expressed in diopters, 1 diopter is the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. 1D is equals to 1 meter inverse. Power of concave lens is negative and the power of convex lens is positive. And the formula for power of lens is P is equals to 1 by F, where P is the power and F is the focal length. And thank you for watching the video. Hope you have liked this.